Hey everyone, Andrija, marketing lead at WeatherXM here. I'm bringing you the Black Friday updates. So for this Black Friday, we have some interesting discounts in store for you. The Black Friday campaign lasts until December 2nd, and right now you can get up to 30% off on our weather stations. First of all, I know for some users and station owners in the US are celebrating Thanksgiving as well as some parts of our team. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Right now, the way Black Friday campaign works is we have 15% off on single purchases for Wi-Fi and heating weather stations. We have 25% off on the pulse weather station, and we have 25% off on purchases that include two or more weather stations. So how do you get the 30% off? Well, you can get the 30% off by also adding two or more weather stations or purchasing the pulse weather station and selecting the WXM payment as your payment option. I'm gonna walk you through and show you how to get the 30% off. So here is our WeatherXM website. What you want to do is you want to press the cart. You want to go to shop now. While the shop is loading, maybe you can think about what weather stations you would like to get. For this video, I'm selecting the helium. So you can see here that once we chose the helium, you get the 15% off. So that's on a single purchase. But if you add another weather station, for example, the pulse, you can get up to 25. So when choosing the pulse, you want to set the right frequency depending on your location. For example, I'll take this one, I'll add it to the cart. If you're not sure, you can check your 4G coverage. And then once you have two weather stations in your cart, you're eligible for the 25% off. So how do you get the 30%? You go to the checkout. Once the shop loads, you can see here your total cart. You saved $100 on the helium and $225 on the pulse. So in order to get extra 5% off, you just simply choose the pay with WXM option, and you'll see that the discounts are calculated here. Now it's $990. So once you select this, you'll want to fill out all the necessary details on the left-hand side. You'll check these two boxes and you'll place an order. Once you press the button place an order, MetaMask or wallet connection pop-up will show up. You can choose to select your MetaMask wallet or any other in order to connect it and pay with WXM tokens. So that's about it. The Black Friday campaign lasts until Monday the 2nd. So make sure you grab your weather stations before the deals end. Thanks everyone for checking out the video. If you have any questions or issues come up while you're preparing an order, you can of course ping me via Discord, where my team and I will answer any questions you might have. Thank you to our community, and see you in the next video update, probably with Alex and possibly me as well. Ciao.